What if you could get a premium, enthusiast-level mechanical keyboard sound for less than 60 bucks? Epomaker actually sent me their brand new TH85 to test out, and it's on Amazon for an absolute steal of $55.99. I'm gonna tell you right now if it actually lives up to the absolute mountain of hype surrounding it. Now listen, for less than 60 bucks, you are getting a true 80% layout with 84 keys, meaning you get your full function row, your dedicated arrow keys, and your primary navigation keys without absolutely destroying your desk space. But how does it actually feel and build? Well, here is the thing. It is made entirely out of molded ABS plastic. If you grab this thing and twist it with pure brute force, yeah, the case is gonna flex a bit. But under normal daily typing or intense gaming, trust me on this one, it feels rugged, heavy, and completely composed. Plus, it has curved corners and this beautiful sloped edge design that just looks incredibly clean on any desk setup. They even hid the wireless dongle slot right underneath the left kickstand, which is just brilliant engineering. But let's be honest, you aren't just buying this for the plastic shell. You want to know about the sound, right? How does a $56 keyboard sound so obscenely good right out of the box? It comes down to what is packed underneath the hood. This thing features a heavy-duty layered internal dampening stack. We are talking about a flexible polycarbonate plate with dedicated flex cuts, a wrapper gasket mount design, Poron sandwich plate foam, an IXPE switch pad, and a massive silicone base pad filling out the bottom floor. What does all that technical jargon actually mean for your ears? It completely eradicates any annoying high-pitched hollow plastic resonance. The stock plate-mounted stabilizers are heavily pre-lubed and perfectly tuned from the factory, so your spacebar has absolutely zero rattle. It just gives you that pure, muted, premium thok. My specific model came equipped with Epomaker's creamy Jade Switches, and oh my goodness, they are buttery smooth. They have a 45-gram actuation force and a short travel distance, making them feel incredibly snappy. Because they come pre-lubed with silicone grease straight from the factory, the glide is incredibly consistent with absolutely no scratchiness. Pair that with the included double-shot PBT keycaps in a gorgeous black, white, and blue colorway, and your fingers are never going to slip. And don't worry, it has a physical toggle on the back to switch between Windows and Mac instantly. For connectivity, you get full tri-mode power. You can run it wired, over Bluetooth with up to 3 devices, or use the low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. If you're gaming, wireless latency is a blistering 5 milliseconds, so you won't drop a single input. It packs a massive 4,000 mAh battery, but fair warning, the south-facing RGB lighting on this thing is blindingly bright. If you crank the RGB and all the crazy side light strips to the max, the battery will drain in about 2 to 3 days. Turn the lights off and it easily lasts up to 2 full weeks. If you want to customize it, you don't have to install any sketchy proprietary bloatware. It is fully QMK and VIA programmable, meaning you can jump onto your browser, load up the file, and remap every single key or record complex macros in seconds. At the end of the day, for $55.99, this thing is an absolute steal. It gives you the sound and feel of a custom-built layout without the headache of building it yourself. If you want to grab one for yourself, I've left the purchase link right down in the description below. And if you want to read my full technical in-depth breakdown of the hardware, make sure to click the website link down there as well. If this video helped you out, do me a massive favor and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next review, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think of this sound profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.